Unraveling the mystery of dangling prepositions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are exploring a particularly interesting and sometimes controversial topic: dangling prepositions. If you're not sure what those are, don't worry. We're going to demystify them today and delve into the controversies surrounding their use. A dangling preposition, also sometimes known as a trailing or hanging preposition, occurs when a sentence ends with a preposition. Prepositions are words that link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence, such as on, in, at, for, and with. Now, a sentence like, "Who are you going with?" is an example of a dangling preposition, because the preposition with appears at the end of the sentence. The controversy stems from a rule in Latin grammar. In Latin, prepositions must always precede the words they're linked to, and this rule was, at one time, rigidly applied to English. However, English is not Latin, and it evolved differently. Many linguists argue that dangling prepositions are part of our everyday speech and can make sentences sound more natural. Others still hold on to the belief that they're a grammatical faux pas. In contemporary English, most grammarians agree that it's perfectly acceptable to end a sentence with a preposition, especially in informal and conversational contexts. The key is that the sentence should still make sense and the preposition should not be unnecessary. For example, "Where are you at?" is frowned upon because the preposition at doesn't add any additional meaning to the sentence. And that brings us to the end of our exploration of dangling prepositions. It's important to remember that language is constantly evolving, and what was once seen as an error may now be accepted in certain contexts. When in doubt, think about whether your sentence still makes sense and if the preposition is necessary. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and remember, understanding English doesn't have to be a mystery.